Welcome to Atrashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to join a meeting in Zoom video communications. So first, let's open the Zoom app. And now here we need to click join a meeting. This will open a new window and ask the meeting ID or personal link name of the current conference. So the meeting ID will be sent to you by your teacher or whoever the person is conducting the meeting. So let me see my meeting ID. So as you can see, this is my meeting ID. So we need to copy and paste this ID in Zoom application. So hold left mouse button and drag and right click and click copy, and right click in the meeting ID your field and paste it there. And now here you can enter your username that is to be displayed in the conference, and ensure that you have checked the remember my name for future meetings option, so that you don't need to rename your username each time you enter a meeting. And here you can check these two boxes in order to turn off your microphone and video while you're joining a meeting. So here you can check these boxes if you want to disable your microphone or video on at the time of entry to the meeting. So here I have disabled my video and I'm clicking join, and here you need to enter the password of your meeting. This is my password here. I'll copy and paste it in the application and click join meeting. And now you need to wait for your host to allow your username to enter the meeting. And now here there will be another prompt asking you to uh, join the meeting using your computer audio. So only then you will be able to use your microphone and as well as hear other participants and host in the meeting. So let me just minimize the Chrome. And now this window here is the host screen, and the second one is the participant screen. And here you can see, since I have disabled the video at the time of joining, my video is disabled and my microphone is enabled. So if you want to disable your microphone or video, you can just click here, and here you can see the number of participants in your meeting, and the number of participants include your host as well. And if you want to chat with your host, you can just click on chat here, and here you can text your and here after 2 you can see that there is a drop down menu that you can choose who all in the meeting can see your message. You can either text to everyone, or you can text just to the host here privately, so that other participants cannot see what you are texting. And now you can click enter to send your message. As you can see, the message has been sent. Also here, if you want to enable the video, you can just click here in order to enable your video. And in the participant section you can see who all have their microphone turned off or on, as well as the webcam. And now if you want to leave the meeting, you can click the leave meeting option here, or you can use the short key Alt plus Q, and there will be a confirmation window popping up, and click leave meeting here, and the meeting has been entered. So this is the end of this tutorial. See you in next tutorial.